Welcome to day one of the 30 days data analytics with Python learning challenge. I will be giving you step-by-step guide on setting up your Python environment. I will be showing you two different Python environments you could use during this learning challenge. So let's go to the first environment. So to set up our first environment, we have to go to anaconda.com. So once we are in anaconda.com, we will then click on free downloads. When you click on free downloads, you have a pop-up that asks you to provide an email to download distribution. So we'll just have to skip this, okay? Click on skip registration. So once you click on skip registration, you'll see your download button, okay? So click on download button to download Anaconda. So you can see our downloads have started. Now that we've successfully downloaded Anaconda, we'll click to open our downloads folder in our system. Then right click on the Anaconda installation file. Then click on open. So go ahead and click on next. Click on agree. If you want it just for you, we leave it on the recommended just for me. You can also pick all users if you want all the users on your PC to have access to Anaconda. Okay, so I'm leaving it on just for me. So click on next. So go ahead and click on install to install Anaconda. All right, so now it's completed. So click on next. Click on next again. Then click on finish. So we are done installing our Anaconda navigator. So what follows is for us to now search for Anaconda in our search bar here. So you see Anaconda Navigator, the app here. So you click to open the Anaconda Navigator. So it's currently initializing. So our Anaconda Navigator is open now. So we'll close this. So it's loading packages. We'll give it some time to load completely. You are going to see this update application. So you can just click no, remind me later. So we have the Anaconda Navigator open. So what we need to do now is to install the apps we need. So we want to scroll through these applications. It's in all applications right now. So we want to scroll down. We will be using the Spider IDE. Okay, so because I already have the Spider IDE installed, that is why it's asking me to launch. All right. So in your case, you'll see the install button. So you click on it to install. It's a quick process. It's just going to install. And then once it is installed, this install button will turn to the launch button. So you can easily just launch your Spider from here. Okay, so why we are using Spider instead of PyCharm or any other IDE now, it's because Spider has a user-friendly interface. It allows users to interactively explore datasets using its variable and explorer feature. It also supports scientific libraries, and we can basically easily customize our environment. So let's launch Spider and see how it looks. So click on launch and Spider is launching. So we have the Spider IDE opened. This is the area where we write our codes, okay? Here we have the variable explorer we talked about. We can see our plots here. Let's go to the second part. Let's say you don't have a computer right now and you have a mobile phone and access to a Gmail account. So you want to follow up the process of learning. So it's easy. You head on to your Chrome. Now search for Google Colab. Click on Google Colab. So you are now on Google Colab. So you can just open Google Colab. So you can just go ahead and click on New Notebook. So the new notebook is now open. You can change the title of your notebook and you can see that it's always saved to your Google Drive. Okay, that is one good thing about Google Colab. To rename it, leaving the extension. So don't remove the extension. You can just name it here. You basically can add a code or add a text within your coding environment. So we want to start coding. So click on code. And so you can basically just start coding, okay? So thank you very much. Do well to subscribe and share the videos to help as many people as possible.